Hey everyone and welcome to Jurisedge channel. So as you are aware that on 19th of February, the UGC NET results has been declared, and with this respect we have got some analysis for you. So let us see what are they. Firstly, Jurisedge Academy congratulates to all of them who have qualified NET or JRF, whereas those who couldn't qualify this exam, don't lose your hope. This is a competition. So if there is winning, there will be also losing the game too. So don't think much, save your energy, save your time for the next attempt. Soon the application form for the next cycle will be out, maybe around a month. So this UGC NET 2021 attempt, it was successfully conducted after a gap of 1 year and the results are being also out now. Now let us see that what are the number of candidates who have appeared for this exam. So if we talk about law domain, around 15,000 students have appeared for this UGC NET, and out of them 179 have qualified for JRF, whereas for NET 1175 students they have qualified. Let us see the final result for JRF and NET and how much did it vary from our predictions. So for general category, we predicted that the cutoff for JRF would lie around between 63% to 67%, but the final cutoff for JRF is declared to be 68%. Whereas if we talk about NET, the prediction was around between 59% to 63%, and the final cutoff for NET is declared to be 60%. For the other categories also, we have made a comparative chart. So you can pause this video and have a look on this. So you can see that there is a minor polarity between the final and the predicted cutoffs, right? See, you are already aware about these numbers which I just mentioned. Now the next question lies is that what's next? Like what should you think now, or what should we learn from the entire process so that we can avoid our next miss? So the first point which I should highlight about is that despite of the difficulty level of the question paper, the cutoffs in upcoming attempts will definitely going to be in an upward movement. Hence, start your conceptual preparation by now. Second point is about paper 2, which is a law subject. So it was differently set this time. Most of you might agree with this. Different in the sense that it wasn't that super tough, but yes, apart from few, the questions asked were not repeated and they were complicatedly created as we compare with our previous year question papers. Next point is that mostly people rely on previous year question paper as they are useful and they do equip the students. But for this time, the previous year paper, it wasn't held to be that useful. But it doesn't mean that you are going to ignore the importance of solving previous year papers. Next is about the minor acts. So the minor acts were significantly asked this time. Moreover, they were completely balanced out with the major acts, right? So the trend which you might have seen till 2020 attempt, where from the minor subjects hardly 15 to 20 questions were asked, but in 2021 attempt, this situation was completely reversed. Lastly, if we talk about paper 1, which is research aptitude, the questions were also balanced, neither too simple nor too tough. It has mixed approach. So some students have found it easy but some not. So that's completely on your preparation level. So these things might be buzzing around your head. Next thing is to find the solution to this. So first of all, do not ignore any subject or any subtopic. Though there are 10 units, but if you start counting, you will find around 25 to 30 legislations throughout your syllabus, right? So start preparation by now. You have your syllabus with you. It's not going to change as of now. So start planning right now. Don't wait for the last minute because you have to cover multiple subjects. Second point is regarding the comprehension-based questions. So for the comprehension-based question, you should concentrate more and more upon the major subjects, as we have seen from the past 2 attempts that the questions from the Constitution, Jurisprudence, PIL have been asked. So in the future also we can predict that the comprehension-based questions will be asked from the major subjects like Constitution, Jurisprudence, PIL, and including family law also. Third point is that there were 2 to 3 questions which were completely out of syllabus, but you don't have to panic for that. Please remain confined to the topics and the subtopics given in the syllabus. It will be sufficient for you to qualify this exam, right? Also, there were some time-consuming questions also, so you have to manage your time as well while solving questions. With the previous year paper, you need to solve mock tests also, which are provided by the coaching centers these days. right? So you can also approach for them, you can also try for them. Lastly, about paper 1, I must say that apart from practicing mocks or questions, try to explore those portions which are least asked. Together with this, if you have to keep a track on the current affairs also in case of higher education and the environment unit. Also, Jurisedge Academy does provide coaching for UGC NET preparation. So if you want to join this, you may connect with us as it is given in the description box. Moreover, before purchasing the course, we do provide course tour and demo classes to the interested candidates. So you may take it accordingly. Thank you for watching this video. If you agree with the points which I have just shared with you, please do like and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe Jurisedge Academy to get the further updates.